Hey there, crypto fam. Gaming's got a crypto upgrade. Web3 gaming, think Fortnite meets Bitcoin, is blowing up. With 2 million people playing Axie Infinity daily, and games like The Sandbox worth $500 million. X is buzzing with play-to-earn hype, where you can earn real crypto just by gaming. Sounds like a dream, right? In this video, we're diving into why Web3 gaming is crypto's hottest trend. We'll answer 6 big questions. What is Web3 gaming? Why is it trending? How does it work? Is it safe? How does it affect your wallet? And how can you start earning? Whether you're a gamer, a crypto newbie, or both, stick with me. Hit that like button, grab a snack, and let's level up your crypto game. Section 1. What is Web3 gaming? Imagine a village arcade where instead of winning animals, you earn digital coins you can trade for real money. That's Web3 gaming. Video games built on blockchain tech that let you own and earn crypto assets like NFTs or tokens while playing. Unlike traditional games where EA owns your skins, Web3 games give you control. Key examples: Axie Infinity lets you breed digital pets, NFTs, and earn AXS tokens, $10 each in 2025. The Sandbox lets you build virtual worlds, earning sand, $0.5. Star Atlas offers space battles with token rewards. Why it exists? Web3 games use blockchains like Ethereum Solana to make assets yours forever tradable on markets like OpenSea. In 2025, Web3 gaming's market is $20 billion per coin market cap and growing fast. Web3 gaming's like a digital farm: play, grow assets, and harvest crypto. But why is everyone jumping in now? Section 2. Why is Web3 gaming trending in 2025? Here's why it's crypto's hottest trend. 1. Massive growth. Axie Infinity's 2 million daily players and the Sandbox 500 million cap show Web3 gaming's boom, per CoinGecko. X posts say 5 million plus gamers earned crypto in Q1 2025. Play-to-earn hype. P2E models pay players tokens or NFTs. In 2025, top Axie players earned $500 per month, beating minimum wage in some countries. 3. Mainstream adoption. Ubisoft and Epic Games are testing Web3 features. The Sandbox partnered with Adidas for virtual stores. 4. Crypto-friendly policies. Trump's pro-crypto SEC chair, Paul Atkins, and EU's MiCA rules boost Web3 gaming's legitimacy, per Cointelegraph. Gamers trust it more. 5. Global appeal. In places like the Philippines, P2E games are a job. 40% of Axie players are from Southeast Asia. Web3 gaming's like a gold rush for gamers, but how do you actually earn crypto playing? Section 3. How does Web3 gaming work? Back to our village arcade. Imagine playing a game where every win gives you a digital pet, NFT, or coin, token, you can sell for real cash. That's Web3 gaming, powered by blockchain tech. Here's the breakdown. Play to earn, P2E. Games like Axie Infinity reward you with tokens. AXS, for battles or tasks. Win a match, earn $5 to $10 in tokens, tradable on Binance. NFTs, e.g. Axie Pets, sell for $50 to $500 on OpenSea. Own your assets. Unlike Fortnite, where skins are locked, Web3 games use blockchains, Ethereum, Solana, to make your items yours. Sell a Sandbox land plot for $1,000. Gameplay types: breed pets, Axie, build worlds, Sandbox, or fight in space, Star Atlas. In 2025, 500K plus games run on Solana for low fees. Earning mechanics: play daily missions, stake tokens for 5 to 15% APY, or trade rare NFTs. Top players earn $100 to $500 per month. Section 4. Is Web3 gaming safe? Web3 gaming's awesome, but crypto's got risks. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Web3 gaming's awesome, but crypto's got risks. Let's weigh the pros and cons. The bad. Upfront costs can sting. Axie Pets start at $50, Sandbox land at $100. Token prices swing. AXS dropped 15% in March 2025. The ugly. Scams are everywhere. Fake NFT game drops stole $50 million in 2024 per Chainalysis. X warns of phishing sites mimicking Axie. Always verify game contracts on Etherscan. Example: Axie Infinity's audited by top firms and pays 2 million players. Legit. But a 2024 CryptoQuest scam rug pulled $5 million. Stick to names like Sandbox, Illuvium, or Star Atlas. So how does Web3 gaming hit your wallet? Section 5, how does Web3 gaming affect your money? Web3 gaming isn't just fun. It's a new way to earn, invest, and spend in 2025. Earning Play Axie, 2 hours daily, earn $50 to $200 per month in tokens. Top sandbox builders make $1,000 per month selling virtual land. It's a side hustle without leaving home. Investing, buy Access $10 or Sand 50 cents on Binance. If Web3 gaming hits $50 billion by 2026, a $100 investment could double. Stake AXS for 10% APY, earning $10 per year on $100. Spending, use tokens to buy in-game items, e.g. Axie Pets, or real-world goods via BitPay, 5,000 plus merchants. Sell NFTs for cash to cover rent. Future of gaming. Web3 gaming could power 20% of gaming by 2030, per Binance Labs. It's like investing in PlayStation in 1995. Story: Sarah spends $50 on a sandbox plot, builds a virtual shop, and earns $150 per month in sand. She stakes 100 AXS for 10% APY, $10 per year. If sand hits $1, her plot's a jackpot. Ready to play and earn? Here's how to start. Section 6. How to get started with the Web3 gaming in 2025. Web3 gaming safely and start earning. 1. Set up a wallet. Download MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. Free, easy. For safety, get a Ledger hardware wallet. $80. X post this week warn of fake wallet apps. Stick to official stores. Buy game tokens. Use Binance, Coinbase, or KuCoin to buy AXS, 10, or Sand, 0.50, with $20 plus. In April 2025, fees are 1 to 2%. Check game white papers on AxieInfinity.com or thesandbox.game. 3. Join a game? Axie Infinity, buy a $50 pet NFT on Axie's marketplace, play 1 to 2 hours daily, earn $50 to $100 per month in AXS. The Sandbox, buy a $100 land plot, build, and earn $50 to $200 per month in sand. Free mode lets you create without owning. Illuvium, play beta battles for free, buy $20 ILV tokens to stake for 5 to 10% APY. 4. Stay safe. Verify NFT contracts on Etherscan. Avoid free NFT drop scams. X reported a fake Illuvium drop stealing $10,000 this week. Use two-factor authentication on exchanges and game accounts. Conclusion. Boom. Web3. Gaming's crypto's hottest trend in 2025, with a $20 billion market letting you earn real crypto playing Axie Infinity, the Sandbox, or Illuvium. From $50 monthly side hustles to 1,000 NFT flips, it's gaming with a paycheck. But watch for scams. Stick to legit platforms and keep your wallet locked. Whether you're spending $20 or just playing free, Web3 gaming's your ticket to the future. If this got you hyped, smash that like button and subscribe and comment.